Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off voice on LG TV. So, first one, identify the voice feature. So if your LG TV is reading text aloud or describing menu actions, it's likely voice guide, audio guidance, or screen reader is enabled. So now press the gear icon on the remote, scroll down and select all settings, accessibility. Under accessibility, select audio guidance or voice guide depending on your model, and set audio guidance to off, and the voice should stop immediately after turning off this feature. And optionally, you could also use your voice command. You can also try saying turn off voice guidance using the magic remote's mic button if available. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.